Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing, and the highlight of the briefing is the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions very likely to continue over parts of East India and the South Peninsular India during next 48 hours, and from 3rd May onwards there will be gradual improvements over the region. And as far as the North East India is concerned, heavy to very heavy rainfall activity will continue on today also, and thereafter there will be gradual reduction of the rainfall activity for the subsequent 48 hours, and again on 5th and 6th of May heavy to very heavy rainfall will be experienced over the northeast India on 5th and 6th May. And yesterday the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions over some parts was realized over the East Bihar, West Bengal and northern parts of the Tamil Nadu, and heat wave conditions prevailed at isolated pockets over East Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and interior parts of the Karnataka. Yesterday hailstorm activity was also reported over the Odisha. And if we look for the yesterday's maximum temperatures, then mainly the maximum temperatures were in the range of 42 to 44 degrees centigrade over most parts of the East India and adjoining peninsular and central India. However, maximum temperatures were also in the range of 44 to 46 degrees centigrade in isolated pockets over the Gangetic West Bengal, eastern parts of the Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and at one or two places over the Karnataka and interior parts of the Maharashtra, over the Madhya Pradesh and over the plains of northwest India, mainly over the Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan and Gujarat and coastal areas of the Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala, and remaining parts of the Tamil Nadu, the maximum temperatures are in the range of 38 to 40 degrees centigrade. Over the East India and mainly over the South Peninsular India, there will not be any significant change in the maximum temperatures mainly during next 3 to 4 days, and from 5th May onwards there will be gradual reduction in the maximum temperatures over the East India and over the Peninsular India as well. However, over the plains, over the Northwest India and over the Maharashtra state, the maximum temperatures very likely to rise by about 4 to 5 degrees centigrade in the upcoming 4 to 5 days. As far as this maximum temperature departure is concerned, these departures are above normal by 4 to 6 degrees centigrade over the East Bihar, East Jharkhand, West Bengal, interior parts, North interior, Tamil Nadu and South interior Karnataka and the maximum temperatures are above normal by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over the Telangana, interior parts of the Karnataka, remaining parts of the Odisha, as we can see in this map. And if we look for the today chief synoptic features, then today western disturbance can be seen over the western area of the Iran, and over the northeast India a circulation lies over the Assam, and over the peninsular India a trough runs from South Chhattisgarh up to the South Tamil Nadu in the lower tropospheric levels. Because of these mainly the synoptic features, if we look for the heat wave conditions, then the heat wave conditions heat wave to severe heat wave conditions very likely to prevail over the Gangetic West Bengal during next 2 days. So we have issued the red alert for the Gangetic West Bengal for today and tomorrow, and from 4th May onwards there will be only heat wave conditions at 1 or 2 places for the on 4th and 5th of May. So we have issued the orange and yellow alert for 4th and 5th of May. However, mainly over the Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha, heat wave conditions will prevail at a few places on during next 2 days, and from 4th May onwards the heat wave condition there will be gradual improvement in the heat wave conditions. So however, the heat wave conditions at 1 or 2 places will continue over the East India on 4th and 5th May also. But from the 6th May onwards there will not be any heat wave conditions over the East India except at 1 or 2 places over the Odisha. Over the South Peninsular India, the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions very likely to continue to prevail till 5th of May, mainly over the interior Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema, and from 6th of May onwards there will be abatement of the heat wave conditions mainly over the most parts of the peninsular India except at 1 or 2 places over the north interior Karnataka. And even on today the coastal Andhra Pradesh very likely to experience heat wave conditions at a few places, and over the Rayalaseema the heat wave conditions at a few places will be experienced on today and tomorrow. So we have issued the red alert for coastal Andhra Pradesh for today and for the Rayalaseema region on today and tomorrow. And over the coastal areas of the Gujarat, the heat wave conditions will be experienced at one or two places till 5th of May. From 6th May onwards, there will not be any heat wave conditions over the Gujarat. Similarly, over the Maharashtra also, mainly over the Konkan region, Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada also, the heat wave conditions will be experienced from tomorrow onwards till 5th of May, and from 6th May onwards, there will not be any heat wave conditions over the Maharashtra as well. And if you look for the warm night conditions, then mainly over the Rayalaseema, South Interior Karnataka and Odisha, very likely to experience warm night conditions during next 2 days. However, over the Gangetic West Bengal, the warm night conditions will prevail on during next 24 hours. From 4th May onwards, there will not be any warm night conditions over the any part of the country, as we can see in these maps. And if we look for the hailstorm warning, then today also the hailstorm activity is likely at one or two places over the Odisha. From 3rd May onwards, there will not be any possibility of hailstorm activity over the any parts of the country. And if you look for the heavy rainfall warning, then on today mainly the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Mizoram and Tripura are likely to experience very heavy rainfall activity at one or two places with thunderstorm and lightning activity and gusty wind of the speed of roughly 50 to 60 kmph at one or two places. On 3rd and 4th May, only light to moderate rainfall will be experienced over the northeast India. However, again from the 5th May, the very heavy rainfall activity will start over the northeast India. So because of that, mainly the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland and Manipur region likely to experience very heavy rainfall activity on 5th May and 6th May also. So we have issued the orange alert for the region. And over the Sikkim area, the heavy rainfall activity is likely at one or two places on 5th May. And if you look for the rainfall activity over the other parts of the country, so first if you look for the plains of mainly the northwest India, then mainly the plains of northwest India are likely to be dry during next 48 hours, and light rainfall activity will start over the Punjab, Haryana and West Rajasthan on 4th of May, and over the Uttar Pradesh the light rainfall activity will be seen on 5th and 6th of May. Similarly, over the central India, mainly the Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and adjoining parts of the Maharashtra and Gujarat likely to be dry during next 5 days, except some parts of the Madhya Pradesh where the light rainfall will be experienced on 5th and 6th of May. Mainly over the East India and mainly over the South Peninsular India, the light rainfall activity will gradually enhance from 5th of May onwards. So as we can see in this map also, the light rainfall activity will be seen all over the East India and over the eastern parts of the Peninsular India on the 5th May, and on 6th May also this rainfall activity will be seen over the entire East India, adjoining parts of the central India, over the Peninsular India and over the Uttar Pradesh also. And light rainfall activity will also be seen over the mainly over the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand from 3rd May, which will continue till 6th of May. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel and our Twitter page. Thank you.